good landing page is going to make people convert like this. A bad landing page is going to make them run away. Run away. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about landing pages. What makes them convert? What are some of the tips and tricks? And how you can see those tips and tricks in examples of landing pages that I have for you today. And lastly, I actually have one landing page that I stumbled upon, and I think that it is a game changer in the world of marketing. So stick on for that, guys. What are landing pages? Now, landing pages are specific web pages that exist apart from your main website. Now, what do I mean when I say that these web pages are apart from your website? It means that no links on your main website can lead to these landing pages. As a marketer, I love landing pages. Helps you generate leads, helps you drive traffic, definitely helps with your SEO, and overall, it helps you promote your brand. Now, you can find landing pages when you click on an ad, any emails that you find in your promotional section on your Gmail, or anywhere else on the internet. So guys, since your customers have already clicked on your ad or your promotions, you more or less know that they have reached a point where they want to do what you're asking them to do. They want to give you their information. They want to buy your product. They want to go for this offer. Now, the last step on their agenda changes everything, because that determines whether they're going to give you their information, they're going to buy your product, or they're going to do whatever it is that you want them to do. And that last step, guys, are your landing pages. Now let's hop on to tips and tricks to make your landing page awesome. First one, always make sure your headline explains what you want the consumer to do. It's very simple, but so many landing pages mess this up. Good landing pages have good headlines. Great landing pages have amazing imagery. Don't forget your offer on the landing page. Make sure your offer is big and bold. I got a lot of Thanksgiving emails, and I was looking at them because I wanted to show you guys great examples of landing pages. So I was looking through them, and I saw a couple of landing pages that had their Save 20% offer right at the top in a tiny corner. Make sure it's right out there, big, bold, for your consumers to click on and see. One thing that I see, landing pages often ignore is a catchy button. Now, I don't want to be looking at your landing page and looking at the button going, please submit this. No, that's not going to make me convert. I think I would be more drawn if it was something like, let's get started, or something that was catchy, that was exciting, because I want to give you my information. As a consumer, if I'm on your landing page, come on, it means you've got me already. These were in my email inbox, as you can see. First, we have Sephora. So that is the email that I got from Sephora. Clearly, they're telling you that it's Black Friday, please shop. And if I'm a consumer, I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, I totally want the Total Knockout Skincare set. So let's click it. I'm interested. So I go here, look at this fabulous landing page, guys. There's a big, bold headline. There are different images, like I told you, that evokes feeling. It definitely wants to make me buy. You have these buttons, which are different. There are pictures with them. And you have the rest of the information on the page. Everything is in bullets. Everything is clear. And there you go, Sephora's landing page. Next one I have is one of my favorite brands, Target. Another email promotion going on. You have so much fun stuff. Oh my gosh, take everything offline, guys. Yeah, there you go, guys. Big, bold headline. Off the bat, I know there's a coupon for me. I've got a good button there that contrasts with the gray behind. You have different buttons here with images. Again, you have that kid over there. Oh, I just scrolled up, but you have the kid over there. Imagery, guys. It works. The last one, I think, is a game changer in the world of marketing. Now, this is the HelloFresh email that I got, and it says that sales are much easier, and let's go to their landing page. It says click to scratch. Guys, I cannot tell you, but the kid in me loved this. I'm just going on and on, scratching and making sure that I got all the points off it. A little bit more there, yeah. And I think that this kind of interaction is going to be a game changer for landing pages. Now, I, for one, have not seen a landing page like this, and obviously I was so fascinated with this. There's a green button over there, again, contrast with the black below. Once I click that, I automatically go to their Build Your Plan page. For those of you who don't know, HelloFresh is a meal delivery service kit, I think. One of my favorites, hugely loyal to the brand. This is not sponsored, by the way, guys, but there you go. These are the 3 examples that I have for you, with the last one being a total game changer in the world of marketing. I hope to see so many more of these kind of landing pages where it's interactive and I can unleash the kid in me. We have reached the end of my video, and I think I should get to my introductions right now. I did not want to keep it in the beginning of the video because I wanted to hop right into my content. I know many of you are probably watching this while you're on your way to work. You want me to get to the content as soon as possible, which is why I usually, and this will, probably set the tone for the rest of my videos, I usually keep my fluff at the end. So I know that if you're watching till here, then you probably want to know who I am. Now, my name is Prit. I am a marketer. I literally walk, talk, breathe marketing, guys. I'm intensely passionate about it, and I want to be able to share my knowledge and my experiences to people out there who are looking for some sort of help in the field of marketing. If you're a business owner or you are an entrepreneur who's starting out and you can't really allocate resources to marketing just yet, or you're someone who's just curious about marketing, well, my channel has got you covered, guys. So I'm signing off, but please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And there's this, I don't know why I thought I could design it with my fingers, but there is a bell that's right down there, I think. I'm not sure. This is my first video, guys. I'm not really sure what the orientation of the buttons are, but I will figure it out for my next video. So make sure you click the bell because it tells you every time I upload a video. And trust me, guys, the content that I'm putting up, you definitely want to be notified. So alright, guys, this is me signing off. Bye-bye.